In maths, an arithmetic operator is a mathematical function that takes two operands and performs a calculation on them. Examples include addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. It may come as no surprise that programming languages support the use of arithmetic operators to manipulate variables, in simple programs like a calculator to complex ones like Fortnite. Here, your health bar is shown at the bottom left corner. If the code detects that your character model intersects with the model of, say, a bullet, it will perform a mathematical calculation, subtracting your health variable with whatever the value of the bullet is. Put simply, when you are shooting someone in a game, you are shooting them with maths. Let's see how we can code some arithmetic operators in C#. In this example, we have created three variables, two integers called num1 and num2, and a double called answer. You may be wondering why I declared this as a double, and the reason is I may want to use it later to store a decimal answer. As we run the code, what happens is it takes the num1 variable and the num2 variable, adds them together, and places them into the answer variable. The output here shows us the result of this answer. Let's make this a little more interactive. Here we can see that we've replaced the num1 and num2 variables with doubles and replaced the assignment with user input. We have the result of 5 different arithmetic operators: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulo. Multiplication does not use the x symbol because that is already reserved for use as a variable identifier. So instead we use an asterisk symbol. The division symbol is a /. Finally, the modulo symbol is a percentage. If you do not know what a modulo operator does, it will return the remainder of two operands as if they were divided. So, for example, if we were to divide 4 by 6, we would get 6 with a remainder of 4. So 4 mod 6 would evaluate to 4. In C#, we are not actually limited to one operator and two operands.
Aren't you forgetting something?
Here we can see three variables and constants all mixed together to give a result. The rules of BIDMAS applies in C#, so I have placed brackets so that the addition gets evaluated before the division or multiplication. Before we finish, let's look at increasing and decreasing variables with alternate methods. Here we have a variable called number, which has been assigned 0. If we use the ++ command on the next line after the number variable, it will increase that number by 1. We can do something similar to increase a variable by a set amount. The plus equals and then a value increases that variable by that amount. For example, right here we increase the number variable by 2. We can also do the same but with subtraction using the -= command. Here we can see we have reduced the number variable by 3. Have a go at practicing some of these new skills by trying these challenges on screen. Let me know in the comments if you can do all of them without help, or even if you have any questions. If you would like to see step-by-step answers to these challenges, there will be a follow-on video which I will pin in the comments. If you learned something new from this video, or enjoyed it otherwise, please give this video a like and tap that subscribe button for more coding videos.